Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to this impressive two-story, two-family residence. It is situated in the sought-after neighborhood of Havendale. The main house features 5 spacious bedrooms and 4.5 baths, providing ample space for comfort and privacy. Additionally, there is a fully self-contained flat offering income-earning potential. Upon entering, you are greeted by an inviting entry foyer, multiple patios and balconies, offering serene outdoor spaces, perfect for relaxation and entertaining. The first floor includes a luxurious master suite and a family room, ideal for gathering with loved ones. Outside the property boasts a well-footed yard and garden area, creating a tranquil oasis. Situated on a quarter-acre lot, there is plenty of room for outdoor activities. Located in a family-oriented community, this home is close to all amenities, ensuring a convenient and comfortable lifestyle for its new owners. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 65 million or US $422.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.